The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame.
Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with the Salsa Queen, and today we're gonna be making taco salad. Yes, taco salad. I love this recipe because it's super easy, and as you know, I have a lot of kids and I always like to make them part of it, so they help quite a bit, especially my 10-year-old. So I'm gonna make this awesome recipe. If you guys want to share one with me, you can comment down below because I'm always open for awesome recipes. So I'm gonna start with probably 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat, and right here I have some seasoning. It is a little bit of taco seasoning. So I'm gonna put my meat in this awesome skillet, and I'm gonna add the taco seasoning. Super yummy. Oh yeah.
7 hours later.
And now that we have our meat nice and brown, we're gonna add a can of fire roasted tomatoes. Yes. And we're gonna add, I just mix here some beans and corn. So I'm gonna put it in there too. Oh yes, I'm hungry. Let's see, how much is that? Oh yes, this looks so beautiful. All the bright colors. Do you guys know that I'm colorblind? I'm colorblind, so these bright colors really tickle me. Okay, so after that, the magic comes. We're gonna put some of our tomatillo sauce. Oh, it's one of my favorites. So I'm gonna put the whole, almost the whole container. I had used this already, so a little bit more than half. And then I'm gonna put some of the pico de gallo. Oh yes, and we're gonna let it simmer in there. Okay, really, my mouth is like watering. So we're just gonna mix it well, and then we're just gonna let it simmer here for a little bit so all the flavors can come together. Okay, so we have the meat ready. It looks like amazing. Super yummy. Remember, if you have any recipes for taco salad, share them with me. I really love garbanzo beans, so I'm gonna be a little bit experimental and add some garbanzo beans for that extra little texture. I just love it. And we're just gonna mix it in there, and we're gonna put the olives now. I didn't wanna cook them, so I'm gonna put them now. Gonna mix them all and make a little mess like a good queen. Right here, it's so good. Okay, so we're gonna jump from here, and I'm gonna make the sauce. This is gonna be the magical sauce. So I'm gonna mix that tomatillo, oh yes, and the creamy jalapeno. This is gonna make an amazing dressing for the taco salad. And if it's too spicy for you, you can add a little bit of sour cream, so it won't be that spicy. Okay, right there, look at this. Ooh, yummy. My mouth is like watering again. Here we go. And you can buy this already made at pretty much any store. I bought this at Dan's. Okay, so we have our lettuce here, and I put lettuce and cilantro in there because I love cilantro. So we're gonna put some of that in here. Oh yes. And then we're gonna put our amazing mixture of the salad, the taco salad. Remember, we put the tomatillo and the pico de gallo in there. And then now we're gonna put the amazing dressing. Have you guys mixed these two together before? If you guys have, let me know what you guys think. And now we're gonna drizzle it everywhere. Oh yes. Oh my, I want some now. Now I can eat this. And then we're gonna add some cheese. Some tomatoes. And a cute little pieces of limon. Let's put some yellow there. There you go. And just like that, you have a perfect, super easy taco salad for you guys to enjoy. I have my 2 awesome friends here and they're gonna come and give thumbs up. Come on, guys. Yeah, you guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, dig in. Don't be shy.
Sí, por favor.
Sí, por favor. Ay, ay, ay.
All the layers and the yummy.
All the layers and the
let's get the
salsa.
So I got the
Yes.
avocado, I got a little bit, and now I got the lettuce right.
Okay, hurry, because I need to eat.
Oh, well,
There
this
you
is
go. That's the bites I like. And if you guys have any ideas for any recipes that you guys want me to
Okay.
make, please share. Now we're gonna be making a virgin Bloody Mary. So, but with this one, we're gonna use our pico de gallo, so stay tuned because you really wanna watch the recipe. Anyway, I have never made a Bloody Mary, so my friend here is gonna give me all the ingredients step through step, okay? So, what's the first?
First one is 2 cups tomato juice.
2 cups. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to my friends, the Firebirds. I got this, it's a Bloody Mary mix. Let me shake it a little because all the goodness is in the bottom. So 2 cups.
Yep, 2 cups.
I don't think this is big enough, so let's do 1 cup at a time. So let's break it in 2. So in my country, in Mexico, we don't have these ones. Like, these are limes, lemons? What are these?
Limes?
Lemon?
Lemons. We only have these ones or we have these ones. But I always call them limones. So these are limones and these are key limes. I didn't know that. I didn't know. So is this the one they made the key lime pie with? Sarah? This is the one? Anyway, so we're gonna be using this one. So some lemon juice. Okay. And then
1 teaspoon of Worcestershire.
1 teaspoon of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Right there. Then
1 teaspoon prepared horseradish.
horseradish. A horsey radish. Like that. And then
The Tabasco hot sauce.
Tabasco. Well, I couldn't find Tabasco sauce, but I found this pretty awesome, well, the Cholula, but they have this one that is chili lime. But I'm not gonna use the chili lime because we already put lemon juice and then we're gonna add some of the pico de gallo, so this is gonna be super yummy. Okay, let's do it the Mexican way, okay?
Okay.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. What else?
The salt.
Salt, oops, salt. Pinch of salt. ¿Qué más?
Black pepper.
Black pepper. A pinch of black pepper. ¿Qué más?
Ice for serving.
Okay. But that's it for
Yeah.
that?
And then, yeah.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Oh, wait. We're gonna put some of our pico in there because this is what my friends said. You should make a Bloody Mary with your pico. And actually the one that said that first was Jimbo, my husband. So, oh my gosh, why not? Why wouldn't I? Everything is in here. So let's just,
I could just drink that.
oh, I could just drink that. Your daughter drinks this, right?
She does.
So right there. And then we're gonna shake it off. Shake it off. Yeah, shake it off. Yeah, shake it off. Okay, and this I think is ready to go. Okay, let's do this one. Oh, yes. And then we're gonna add some ice. Not too much like in the restaurants because then it's all watered down, but just enough. And then, oh, dang it, I forgot. Okay, before you do that, you're gonna do this. And this is tajin. Have you guys heard about tajin? Ooh.
It's so good.
Oh, sí, por favor. Right there, and then I'm just gonna go like that. Oh my gosh, but hold on. You guys have to watch the final product.
So open up your eyes and be the flickering flame. We can light the corner, we shine through all the bubbles.
Okay, so now we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh, it is so good with that tajin. You guys have to try some tajin in there. Let me know what you think. If you made this drink, it came out like amazing. And crazy enough, we got to use our pico de gallo for it. So I hope you guys try it at home. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want me to cook something special. I don't make tamales though.